What's up, Internet? Senior Whoopi here, back with another unboxing, and today, you already know, you've seen the title, but I don't know. I don't know what's in this box. We're going to open this box. We're going to go, what's in the box? All I know is this is from StockX, and it could be one of two sneaker purchases that I made this year on Black Friday. Oh, I know what it is. Oh, that's hot. Is that a dead meme now? God, if you've seen the new, bubble wrap, the new YouTube Rewind, let me know in the comments, what do you think about it? Was it basically just watch mojo, or did you actually enjoy it? First time I watched it, I was like, is this a joke? Is this the real Rewind? It was the real Rewind. And YouTube meant it. So we got a pair of Adidas here. Oh, if you recognize this box, this is the 2020 Ultra Boost sneaker, but it says the 19. I think it's still like, it was released in 2019, so I'll call it 2019. I think it's annoying how they don't put the pictures of the sneakers on there. Also, like, this is an Ultra Boost. I miss the old, awesome artwork of the Ultra Boost boxes. This is kind of plain and boring, Adidas. Come on, pick it up. The only thing that's really cool is the way it opens. All right. Okay, so we've got a sticker here from Adidas. Yes, Adidas Ultra Boost Triple Black. I paid $116 for these. Oh shit. Which is quite a steal because the suggested retail, I think, on these was $180. So I think I did good. Considering I remember when these came out, I was at like Hibbett Sports in Kingsport, and I saw these on the shelf. I was like, oh my god, give me those. Give me two pairs. Because I've been watching Triple Black Ultra Boost just go up and up and up in value, especially like the older styles. This new style, for some reason, maybe it's just something I'm not privy to, but people just don't like them as much. I think it's this cage, and I can agree, the cage is ugly, and it's attached on there. I can't really cut that off. Shit. But other than that, like, this is nice. And it's triple black, so I can wear it at work sometimes when it's nice out. Or if I have certain assignments where I just need a sneaker, this is it. This is my black sneaker. On the inside it says Boost. It is an Ultra Boost. The white Boost is behind the black. If you did not know that, you cannot have just black Boost. It's painted. Even the newer ones that have like a metallic-y purple shifting paint job, yeah, that's got white Boost underneath it. So we got both shoes here, and because it's a StockX purchase, it came with a StockX sticker. I've got a bunch of those, so if you're watching this video right now and you don't have a StockX sticker, you don't want to purchase something off StockX, leave a comment down below. I will select the most worthy of you all, and I will send that to you free of charge. But yeah, these are so cool. They smell good. For the most part. They can't smell that bad. Ooh. Oh man. I've been wanting Triple Black Ultra Boost for over 2 years now. And these were the most affordable. Even if you look right now on StockX, not a sponsor by the way, but you should sponsor me, StockX. I'm here for you. Just come on. Come on into the DMs. Come on. I would love some free StockX credit. You don't even have to pay me real money. Just pay me in sneakers. Yes. But all the other Ultra Boosts that aren't like this, they don't have this like little line. They have the actual cage on the back. Those are somewhere between the $300 to $250 range. And yikes. Oh God. I like sneakers. I like sneakers enough to pay $300 for them. But I knew that they would be just, like, they cannot go a season without making a triple black. They've done it every season, and every time it comes out, it sells out, and then resale prices go way up. This was the exception. This came out and resale prices went up, and then they just came out with more and more and more and more, pushing that resale price down. So where these are affordable sneakers now. Well, $116 is not affordable for most people, and I acknowledge that. But when you spend as much as I do on sneakers, $200, $300 pairs of sneakers, when you see this kind of deal, saving, what did I save? Like $70 off these sneakers? I think that's pretty good. That's not bad. It's about half off, maybe like 35% off. All right. We're gonna take off the Vans, which you've probably seen in another episode. I love these. I just picked these up today. They still have the sticker on, or the tag on. I actually have the other pair right here, which does still have the sticker, the Vans sticker on it. So we'll put those over here to the side. Tell me, what do you think about these? What's better, sneaker battle? These or these? Vans or Ultra Boost? What's better? Leave it in the comments below. But yeah, let's put this on foot. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, it goes on so smooth. Now it looks like the laces go through this cage here. You can kind of see that. They are just a little tight. Ooh, that's so stretchy. You see that stretch? That's the tongue. The tongue is not detachable. It's like just a sock liner. You could, in theory, wear these without socks, but don't wear shoes without socks. God, that's awful. That's nasty. Oh, they fit so good. I am going to have to grab the camera. So if you have vertigo and worry about like moving camera angles, prepare yourself. All right, here we go. Let me step away from all of the stuff on the ground here. Come into some better light. Show you guys all the way around the sneakers. See my Coca-Cola socks. I think they go good with these black jeans. Like, they go really well. I mean, black goes good with everything. They are just a little tight. I own another pair of Ultra Boosts, which are like the Ultra Boost Climbers, which are more like the traditional style Ultra Boost, like the first gen Ultra Boost that came out. Those are super comfortable. These, the Boost is just a squishy. Squish, squish. I like that. And I hope the sock liner starts to expand because it's a little tight. And I'm wearing rather thin socks. These Coca-Cola socks are kind of thin. But yeah, I think they did good. I think they did good, pretty good with these. So let's take them out, put them up here. Oh, wow. It's been a minute. I normally don't purchase things from StockX year-round. Black Friday is normally my weakness. And if you saw my last Black Friday haul, you would have seen some of the StockX tags. They changed the tag, which is good because I can't tell you how many fake StockX tags you can purchase online. And for them to change the tag, that's going to put these fake people on edge and have to like change everything. Even like on wish.com, if you watch Harrison Neville, which is another sneaker YouTuber, he does these videos where he'll purchase fake sneakers and review them on his channel. And there's some that say, click this option to include box and StockX tag. Oh, God. What's wrong with people? And that's $80. He paid $80 for sneakers that did that. That's outrageous. For just like $30 more, you could get a real pair of sneakers. So if you're out there thinking, hey, should I go out and buy fake sneakers because I want some Air Jordan 1s, the off-white ones? No, don't do it. Fake sneakers are produced in sweatshops by people who are unlicensed and not getting paid enough for their work. So if you're ever questioning whether or not you should purchase fake sneakers, the answer to that is no. Definitely purchase real sneakers. You don't have to buy them from StockX. Sometimes you can find some really good deals in different stores. If you're not too particular on styles, you got Rack Room, you got Payless, you got all kinds of good stuff in there. when you want to start spending a little bit more, you've got Foot Locker, you've got Champs, you've got Hibbett Sports, things like that. These are nice. I like these. I don't know what I want to wear. These or these? So I picked these up today. This video is not about these, but I love these. Oh man. So I'm going to wear these probably the rest of the day and save these for that work day or that all black outfit that I want to wear. But yeah. Guys, tell me what you think of these. Tell me, would you have purchased these if you had got such a deal? Now, I have to admit, I'll put the link for the StockX purchase in the description. They're not going to be as cheap as what I purchased them for, 116. I think they've gone up in value. I could be wrong about that, but prices always fluctuate. They could be anything in between like $200 and $100. If they go less than $100, dang, purchase that shit, because they're Ultra Boosts. I mean, I have a pair of the older Ultra Boosts, and now I have a pair of these 19 Ultra Boosts, and a lot of people are saying they don't like them, but I honestly don't feel the difference. They just feel like Ultra Boosts to me. I've got like a shiny little thing on the back that says Ultra Boost. That's cool. I don't know how I feel about this. It's kind of stiff. See, it just like back. Whereas like this is nice and floppy. And that looks kind of like it might rub my ankle raw. At least there's some padding right here and here and here. But the padding runs out when it comes to here. But it's just stretchy material. I don't think that's going to leave rashes. Not rashes. It's not going to rub my ankle raw like some other sneakers. I had a pair of Nike Epic React Fly Knits, and I wore them with some socks that were kind of low, and then they sunk down, and it rubbed my ankle raw, and I have a scar from that. So yeah, ooh, don't do that. But yeah, I guess I will go ahead and end this video here because phone is dying, and we have reached the time limit. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, favorite, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about these. Would you have purchased these for yourself or for another person? Do you want them? I'm not going to give you mine. These are mine. I'm going to keep these. I'm not going to resell them. I don't think they're going to go up in value. They're just my sneakers. So I will go ahead and put them back in the box for now. And I will bid you all farewell, and I will see you in the next video. I have 2 more boxes to unbox in this playlist of shoe unboxings that I've been doing here lately, releasing over the course of a few weeks. So these were the Ultra Boosts. Let me get the next box from StockX. Yes. All right, so this is the next box that I'll be unboxing that came from StockX. So if you want to know what else I got from StockX, you will subscribe and stick around, stay tuned for what's in this box. So I will go ahead and end this video here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra.